Guys, I have good news for you. Grok is back. You can now generate unlimited video for free. Watch this video.
Tunde, promise me you'll never leave me.
Ada, you're my future, my wife, my everything.
I believe you. I've given you my whole heart.
And I'll protect it. Always.
This video that you just watched is generated using Grok AI. So there is a way you cannot generate unlimited video for free. So this is a time for you to jump on it. You can see the quality of this video. Look at the images. Look at the emotion. Look at the gestures. Now, in today's video, I'll be showing step by step on how to generate a realistic AI video, professional AI video that will make you to stand out among millions of people that are creating faceless content. Do you get? So I will encourage you to stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss important part. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, I'm Happy. On this channel, I share video tutorial on how to make use of free AI tools. So if you are yet to join the family, kindly do it by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Don't forget to on your notification bell. If you don't subscribe, you will not be notified anytime I release video tutorial on free AI resources like this. So do well to hit the subscribe button. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the full video tutorial. So the first thing we are going to do is to generate our script. So for you to generate your script, you need an idea. And for me, sometimes I always imagine a story. Do you understand? So for you to generate a story, you can just imagine, or you can just write a story based on your past experience or what happens around you, just to make your story original. Do you understand? You don't want to copy another person's story. Do you get? So now I'm going to give a summary of my story to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will help me to paraphrase and write my story well. So the prompt I gave ChatGPT is that write me a short, emotional, engaging script of a young guy 25 years old and a young girl of 22 years old who are deeply in love, but unknown to the girl that the guy was deceiving her. The guy impregnated her, denied the pregnancy. So I don't want to make this video to be long. Now the important thing that I put is that make sure that this story is in dialogue. Then I want the video to be in part 1 and part 2. And I told ChatGPT that each part 1 should contain just at least 3 scenes. So I click on send. Now this is the script ChatGPT gave me. So you can see we have part 1 and part 2. So it has helped me to structurize my story. So in part 1 I have just 3 scenes, like the way I directed ChatGPT. Part 2 I have 3 scenes. So the next thing I will ask ChatGPT to do is to generate text to image prompts for each of my scenes. When we talk about scenes, scene talks about the environment where the activities take place. So now I will give ChatGPT the next prompt. Now this is the second prompt I gave ChatGPT. This prompt is very important if you want to generate a professional, realistic AI video. Like, it is very important. Now look at the prompt. I want you to generate a text to image prompt for each of the scenes, making sure that all the angles are well captured. So make sure you include the screenplay, the camera shot of each of the angles to make the film professional like Nollywood. So once I click on send, this is what ChatGPT gave me. It has generated the scene for us for part 1 and part 2. And it has even captured the camera shot. You can see the camera shot here. So this will make your video to stand out among billions or millions of people that are creating faceless content. Do you understand? When your video comes, you will see it. So we have image prompts for scene 1, image prompt for scene 2. So we have 3 scenes in part 1, and it has generated the prompt. So we are going to generate this image. So we are going to copy the prompt one after the other to generate our images. So I'm going to copy prompt 1 and take it to Google Wix. We are using Google Wix. As at the time I'm creating this video, Google Wix is free. But peradventure, Google Wix is no more free. You can use Google Flow. It is free, and the quality of the image are real and quality and sharp. So I'll just copy it like that, go to Google Wix and sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to paste my prompts here, the one I copied there. I'll click on this. I'm going to choose the aspect ratio as 9:16. Then I'm going to click on send. So immediately I click on send, you can see our image is generating. So my image has finished generating. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to hold it down and click on download image, and it will be downloaded to my phone. So this is the image generated for prompt 1 scene 1. You can see it captures the environment. Yes, that is the work of camera shot. Then I'll go back to go and copy prompt 2 and come back to Google Wix and paste it. Then I'm going to click on send, and it will start generating. And here we have the second image, and look at the image. It captures both faces because of the what camera shot, the angle. So now I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hold it down and download it. Now this will become our base prompt. We have the both character here. Now there's something that is very important for us to generate consistent character. We need to click on this. Once you click on this, please make sure you just click on this padlock button and lock it. This is to ensure consistency. Then after you have done that, you come down to add image. Click on add image, and you are going to see subject, scene, and environment. So under that subject, click on it. You see upload and text to image. So click on that upload. Then you are going to upload this image that you downloaded. This will be our base prompt. This will be our base image, so that we can generate consistent character. So I will just I've uploaded it from my phone, and then I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the third prompt and paste it here. Do you understand? So that we can continue generating consistent character. We don't want our face to be the face of the image to be different. So I will just paste the third prompt here and click on send. So the image for prompt 3 has generated, and we are going to click on this image. Then we just put it down and download it to our phone. So now this is where we are going to stop for image generation. You know how to generate your image now. So the next step is to generate our video. So to generate your video, you are going to go to your Play Store and download this app. So before we continue, if you are here to subscribe to my channel and you are watching this video up to this time and you want to be getting updates on various free AI resources so that you can use it for your faceless content, kindly do it by hitting the subscribe button. It is when you subscribe that you can get notified anytime I release video tutorials. So do that by subscribing to my channel, like this video, and make sure you drop your comments. So let's continue. So we are going to Google Play Store to download this app. It is called GenV. So you can see from my phone, it said open. It's because I've already installed it. So if you have not installed it, just install it on your phone. You need to install this app before you can use it. So this is what we'll be using to generate our unlimited videos. So now, once you have installed it, then I'll go to ChatGPT to go and copy the dialogue between the two characters. So I've pasted it in my notepad here. So I'll be copying it bit by bit. So I'll copy the other conversation. I'll copy it. This is because this GenV, this Grok AI cannot generate more than 6 seconds video. So I will just copy Ada's conversation. I will copy it here, then go to the GenV, and this is how the interface of the app looks like. So I'm going to click on upload here. It will take me to my phone gallery, and I'm going to select the first image scene. So I will upload it, and I will paste this prompt, this conversation. I will paste it there. Then I'm going to click on this aspect ratio. Then I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then 720. Then I'm going to paste the prompt here. So once I paste the prompt, I'll click on create. Now, one thing about this app is just that you need to be patient. Yes, there are some ads. You have to watch some ads. You need to watch the ad before you can be able to generate your video. That is the only difference. That is the only thing. But you can generate unlimited video, as many videos as you want, because I tried it yesterday and it was actually giving me a good result. So I will wait for the video to generate. Now, once the video generates, you can see a download button under it. Just click on the download button. So we have come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly do well by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.